Oh, poor little thing sneezes and hiccups. Trying to get used to this air. Funny stuff here. Oh my goodness, those hiccups. Got so many of those hiccups. She can put more on my shoulder. That's a good one. Oh. What's going on, huh? What's going on? What's going on? What do you think of this world out here? You're only one day, aren't you? You're only 1 day old. The air a bit funny. Just have your dinner. She did a bit of a cry. Did she wake you up? No, let it go. You're okay. You're okay. I know you're fine. You just had all your dinner, don't you? You have no messy nappy. And there's nothing to be worrying about, is there?
I think she...
You think she would?
Be hiding. Oh.
What did you think, James?
Hey. You're not allowed to do that. Ah, James, stop. Will you give her a kiss to make her feel better? Will you?
Look, here comes Big Brother. Oh, look.
Oh,
See?
good boy.
Hey, now she stopped.
Yeah, look.
That was good.
Let me do something very nice.
Oh, boy.
See, see? Isn't that validating? You have a lovely Big Brother. Oh, that's so nice. And he gives a kiss just to help you stop crying. Yeah, that's the best Big Brother. Yeah.